Jamal, you beat him up. You guys beat each other up. Just win, baby. Get out there and save some lives! Think you might need to be safe?
No, thing is.
Looks like Augie needs to be safe. He's getting armbarred over there by Nicole. Yeah. Yeah. Break it, Nicole, break it! Get him, Jason!
Who is that? What did he say? It's overheating. It's overheating.
Ready to get safe yet? Ready to get going?
Yeah, nobody's here. Wait, overheating. Wait, that's overheating. What?
Jeremiah, not a good spot.
Wait, that's not overheating.
Ezekiel! Lupa, lupa!
But that's not overheating. Okay, but that's not overheating. We're not just eating sushi, though. We're not just eating that. We're eating all. Yeah, it is a buffet. No, it is a buffet. Yeah. Wait, it is a buffet.
I think that's the first time I've ever done anything. Oh, yeah?
Wait, they have a buffet there?
Alright?
Yeah.
Did you not think that was strong?
What are you doing, buddy? You want me to start the house?
Yeah, that's where we started going. That went off.
Cut Rich your ass. Looks like Travis is drowning. Looks like he's treading water. Ready to go save him.